Do you know that you are sitting on money right now? The moment you are speaking, you're already sitting on money. Yes, and your skills and experience can actually pay all of your bills, right from the rent, school fees if you have children in school, or rather even all of your debt if you have debt. So in this video I will show you how to get paid from your skills step by step, whether you are a student, professional, or you are just starting out to look for that money to be self independent. Before we dive in, and in case you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly please click that subscribe button, then allow notification buttons to be on. Whenever you're producing a video like this one, YouTube will automatically giving you a notification. Okay, what you need to do, you have to identify your skills. You have to write down, what am I good at? What can I do best in this life? You know, you have something that you can do best in this life. So everybody was born just to be there. No, it can be in academia, or rather even video editing, or rather even you are good in designing posters, coding, you are very best in tutoring, or even cooking. People do best in cooking, and some people just love what they have already cooked. No, if people ask you something, can you help me in this? That is what you are best at, and you have to market that skill and turn it and monetize it to make you money that will actually help you to do 1, 2, 3. You also have to package your skills. How am I going to package my skills? Okay, you have to create a simple portfolio. Show that you can do this, you can do this, and you can do that best one. And how am I going to create that portfolio? You can use app like Canva. It's best. You can design a very portfolio for you that show that you can do this and this and this. Again, you can create a link and you can share to the people your work, so that you can know, okay, I'm good at video editing, I'm good in writings, I'm good in cooking. So all these things, so people can see. This make people to have trust more in you. Not when you have a portfolio, that you are creating trust with the people. So after doing this, you have now to find clients. You have, how am I going to find client? I can see that you have the endless platform that you can get that client. We have platform like Feelfree, Upwork, and Jira Digital. Those platforms can help you to get the client. Even on WhatsApp, or rather the Facebook group, you have to post there your skill consistently and apply these small jobs, so that you can do it. Word of mouth will spread and everybody will love what you do. And again, you have to set your rate. You know, you don't just work for free. Set your rate. After I've done this, this is what I'm expecting as a payback. Yeah, so you have to start even small. Don't do these things for free. You have to increase your rate as your experience increase, and even as your portfolio also grows. Now, this is the best thing that you need. Don't forget to do it. You have to deliver your best quality. Always deliver your best. That is now the rule in this field of monetizing your skills. You know, when you have happy clients, you will have a repeated business. Again, you will get more referrals. You will get this client who was satisfied with your work. What you will do, you just refer another client, and that is how you will have now consistent income. You will have now the income flow. See that you will just depend on one client. So when this client, you will do your best, then you will be marketing yourself for more clients in future. That is the only thing that you need to do for you to monetize your skills. You don't need a huge capital to make money, or you just, what you need, just monetize what you already know. Which skill will you start today? In case you have it, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more money tips. This is Favored Mwaro. Bye bye. See me in the next video.